A dirty, squished stuffed animal. It's now fluffy like it was just bought. Japanese dry cleaning shops are currently drawing attention from all over the world for their ability to make cherished items, like stuffed animals, look new again. Today, we're going to introduce this amazing technology to you. First, we asked people on the street about items that are difficult to care for.
結構汚くなっちゃってるんですけど、やっぱ面倒くさくなっちゃってやらないかなって感じです。
皮とか変なになっちゃっても嫌だなって思うので、素人が手を加えるのも怖いな。
Many people pointed to sneakers. Now, cleaning shops that specialize in restoring dirty but beloved sneakers are gaining popularity in Japan. With affordable prices starting from 4,400 yen per pair, customers are continuously flocking to these shops to drop off their sneakers. According to the shop, the number of sneaker cleaning requests has increased by about 5 times over the past 10 years. This trend is partly because more people are wearing sneakers for work. Here's a customer in his 20s who brought in a pair of white sneakers.
4、5年ぐらいですかね、前ですね。初任給って結構だいぶ使ったかなって感じですかね。
He brought in 80,000 yen Prada sneakers, concerned about overall dirt and scuffs on the toe caps. Just how clean can these sneakers get with professional care? The attendant first pulled out a dirty, blackened insole. He applied the shop's special detergent to it and washed it off with a high-pressure cleaner. The difference between the before and after is clear at a glance. They carefully hand-wash each part of the shoe, using different detergents for different areas. Surprisingly, the area under the shoelaces is often quite dirty. But with professional technique, it has regained its whiteness. After the washing process, they dry the sneakers for about 8 hours in a dryer. And finally, apply paint to any scuffed areas. Scratches on the worn-out toe caps and dirt on the sides were all perfectly cleaned. The total cost for all processes was approximately 10,000 yen.
びっくりしました。シンプルに、はい、こんなに綺麗になるんだっていうのが率直な感想です。
Next, we'll introduce a cleaning shop located near Mount Fuji. Besides clothes, they clean a wide range of items, including strollers and tents. Currently, this cleaning shop is receiving a flood of orders to clean stuffed animals. Here's a blackened Snoopy plush. After cleaning, it completely regained its white color. A Sally plush toy, whose fur had become stiff and dirty, also had its fluffy fur restored through professional cleaning techniques. Cleaning fees start from approximately 1,700 yen per stuffed animal. For an additional charge, repairs like restuffing with cotton are also available. There's a reason for the large number of customers to come visit this shop. What truly made them popular was when the shop uploaded videos of their cleaning process to social media, getting attention to the amazing contrast between the dedicated artisans and the adorable stuffed animals. After being featured by Hong Kong media as the best dry cleaning shop, orders started coming in not only from Japan, but also from countries such as China and the United States.
本当にありがたいことに2倍から3倍ほどのご依頼になっておりまして、年間1万体ほどご依頼がございます。
Here's a flattened seal plushie with a missing eye and a dirty, discolored face. We contacted the owner of this stuffed animal. According to her, she received the plush from her parents when she was in elementary school, and it has been a treasure she's spent over 20 years with.
片目がなくても手放せなくて大事に持っていました。
So we asked the head of the cleaning factory, who boasts 35 years of experience, to handle the task.
部分的にかなりきつめの音になります。
He first tackled the dirt around its base. Stubborn stains were pre-treated by hand washing. Then the plush was placed into a large washing machine. While monitoring its condition, they adjusted the water temperature and the washing drum rotation speed to remove the dirt. Since there's a risk of the plush losing its shape if spun in the washing machine, they allow it to air dry naturally for a full day. After that, they reattach the missing eye and then restuff it with new cotton. Instead of directly applying an iron, they use steam to meticulously fluff and groom the fur. 2 weeks later, the cleaned stuffed animal was returned to its owner.
こんにちは。全然違います。2倍になりました。美味しいものを食べていきたいと思います。お顔も真っ白になって、自分では落としきれなかったのも全部きれいにしていただいて。
For many owners, stuffed animals become an irreplaceable part of their lives, especially when so much time is spent with them. Japanese cleaning shops continue to clean these plush companions, where dirt accumulates alongside cherished memories, even today.